Hey, what's up guys, you're back with another video. In this video I want to share an amazing project with you guys called as hashtagger.com. If you want to learn more about this project, then make sure to watch the video till the end. And also, if you're new here, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, because I upload daily crypto videos like this. And let's continue with the video. Hashtagger is an amazing project. They are working on social fee, that is social finance. It is a platform that will be allowing its user to earn cryptocurrency for marketing their favorite projects out there, which is something really cool. And it is a unique project that will be rewarding its user for participating in airdrops and campaigns that they offer. They will be doing an IEO and IDO for this project. The IEO is on 10th December, so the IEO is already completed. As you can see this, they raised around 3 million USD, that is 30 times overbooked within a half an hour of opening sale, which is something really cool. That is, the target was 1 lakh USDT, but they have raised 3 million USDT. So you can see that the hype for this project is really high. So if you are still interested in participating for the IDO, I suggest you guys go fill out the whitelisting form. You have time till 11th of December, as the sale will be on 13th of December. So this will be really cool if you are interested in participating. And now let's learn more about this. So there will be total of two parties that will be benefiting from hashtagger. The first is social media user. As you all know that they will be allowing user to participate in campaign. That is, in this campaign you have to create different hashtags and URL of the week that they will be provided, so that you can engage more on the projects that is been listed. And the second is for blockchain companies. It will be allowing them, it will be helping them to acquire more people. As you all know that in this crypto world, there is nothing without a proper community, because decentralized project can't survive without having a community that back them. So this will be really cool for both the parties. That is, for blockchain companies, they will be getting more exposure, and for social media user, they will be earning free cryptocurrency for their engagement on their favorite project, which will be really cool. And also, I suggest you guys go check out this FAQ section, because here you'll find lots and lots of information about how this reward will be calculated, and what do you need in order to participate, why is a hashtagger important for blockchain companies, and all the details will be mentioned over here. So I suggest you guys go check out this FAQ section, because it will be clearing all your doubt regarding this project. And also, here is a short explanatory video about how to earn cryptocurrency with this. This is the presentation that you can click and watch this video. There are three simple steps. The first is select the campaign that will be listed. There will be lots and lots of campaigns that will be available after the launch. You can choose it according to your own choice, and then you have to note down the campaign's qualifying hashtag. For example, hashtagger.com, so you have to use the hashtag that will be provided. And the second is tweet. Now you have to make the tweet depending on what you think about the project, and make sure you have to use the selected hashtag for your tweet to be approved. And the third is get crypto. Submit the tweet's URL in the campaign. All your tweet engagement, likes, comment, retweet, etc. will be automatically recorded by the campaign. Based on your tweet's contribution to the overall engagement, you will get proportional reward for that, which will be really cool. Means you have to select the campaign that you want to work with. They will be providing a URL, or you can say an hashtag for the project, that you have to use it in your tweet, and then you have to tweet it. And then once you submit your URL, tweet URL, all the tweets engagement, like user likes, comment, retweets, will be recorded by the campaign. And once the campaign is completed, your contribution to the overall engagement will be calculated, and in proportion to that, you will be getting rewarded. For example, there is a campaign going on for 100%, and you participate in this campaign, and you shared your contribution up to 5%, then you will be getting 5% reward for that, which will be really cool. So more engagement you get, the more rewards you will be getting. In order to get started with this, it is really simple. You just need is a Twitter account. Just click on this sign up and login in with Twitter. Then you have to enter your Twitter profile, that is Twitter username and password. And after signing in, you will be on this page. Here you can see your username will be mentioned on the top left hand corner, and on the middle section, here you will be shown all the campaigns that are currently ongoing. For now, there are two campaigns ongoing for 20,000 more tokens, and there is two types. That is, first is airdrop and the second is score. In airdrop, reward will be randomly distributed as per the algorithm. And to know more about this algorithm, that will be discussed in the white paper. And then the second is score. Here the rewards are based on the natural engagement, that is banning for unnatural engagement. And also the good thing is that they have a banning mechanism that will be banning all the unnatural engagement, which will be disqualifying all the user that are doing cheating with the system. So that will be also really cool. If you are interested in participating in certain campaign, then just click on this participate for this campaign. You can check out the description, that is project description, and you will be also learning more about this. Once you have participated with your registered Twitter account, your engagement status will be displayed over here, but it will be only displayed once you have participated in the campaign. And from bottom you can check out, this is the campaign's participation till now, and it will be updated within 24 hours. And from here you can check out all the countries that are participating in this campaign. There are around like 33 participating countries, and also you can check out points for each individual country, which is something really cool. So this is a really revolutionizing project that is going to be a game changer in this space, because as you know, there are lots of people out there who hunt for airdrop. So this will be a project for all the airdrops hunter, that they can participate in airdrop campaign in just one single platform itself, which will be really cool. And also here you get your own referral link that you can share with your friend, and and even earn more rewards for that. So as I told, they have a banning mechanism in place. So here you can learn more about this banning mechanism. And also I suggest you guys go check out their gitbook, that is hashtagger.gitbook.io, because here you will find lots and lots of information about what are the methodology they are using, how are they preventing manipulation, and how are they using banning mechanism. Information about all the things will be mentioned over here. Now let's check out their tokenomics. They have their own token called as MOOO. Their contract address is to be announced, and the chain they are using is Binance Smart Chain, and the total supply for the tokens will be 30 million most token. So this is how the token distribution is allocated. 7.5% is allocated to venture capitals, 2.6% for advisors, 0.90% for public sale. Ecosystem growth has been allocated 35% of the total supply. Team has been allocated 20%. Marketing has been allocated 6%, and liquidity providers, exchange liquidity provision has been allocated 3%. In this way 100% of the total supplies are allocated. And also the good thing is that they are utilizing proper vesting period for each and every fund. For example, if you are invested under VC's category, then there will be 20% unlock upon listing and 6.67% per month thereafter. So in this way proper vesting period is allocated for each and every funds. And also they have allocated marketing 5% on TG, which will be unlocked at the token generation event. And the initial market cap calculation will be as follow. At the TG, the market cap for the token will be $648. So the market cap at the launch will be really less, and I'm really hyped up for this project. And also I suggest you guys go check out their future features, that is introduction of social NFTs, features for other channels such as Telegram, Reddit, Discord. So as soon as they move on with this launch, they will be adding more and more social media. So they are just not be getting limited to Twitter, but they will be moving on to Telegram, Reddit, Discord, so that they can attract more and more airdroppers and participate to their project. And also they have really great investors that are backing this project, such as NGC, CMC, AU21 Capital, DuckDuo, Gate.io, Hello Capital, Chainflow, via BTC. So these are all the backers that are backing this project. And also I suggest you guys go follow them on Twitter, because here they will be sharing all the latest news regarding this project with you guys, so that you can also participate in any of the campaign they release. So that is all regarding this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.